Are you a complainer?
I think I'm not. At least nobody calls me a complainer.
Okay.
Do you think okay is a useful word?
Sure, it's short, convenient, and understandable for everyone.
Agree.
What complaints do you have at the moment?
I have no complaints at the moment.
Awesome. So, Anya, what comes to mind when you hear the word okay?
I think about the most useful word in the world.
Right.
Okay is used in any language, I think.
Absolutely right. Have you ever complained in a restaurant, hotel, airplane, or train?
Maybe once or twice. I don't like complaining such places, you know.
Yeah, me too.
It's quite stressful to me.
Okay. How does different pronunciation change the meaning of okay?
Depending on how people pronounce the word, you can understand how they feel about something.
Yeah, intonation, pronunciation are important.
Yeah, right.
Do you have any complaints about English?
Some English words are so hard to pronounce.
Yeah,
you know?
that's true.
It's annoying sometimes.
Yeah. How many meanings of okay do you know?
People use it for approval, acceptance, agreement, or a sign of indifference.
Yeah.
When was the last time when you complained about something?
I don't know. Maybe recently about the weather. I don't really like complaining, actually.
Yeah, good for you.
Is the word okay used in your language?
Absolutely. Everyone understands what it means, no matter what language you speak.
Yeah.